If you love Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay Biscuits, wait till you try this seafood pot pie. In a large skillet, melt some butter over medium heat, add your shrimp and crawfish tails, then add some crab meat, mix it all together, and then for flavor, we're coming with that Delta dust. This is like Papados in a bottle. Get that flavor from UncleDibbz.com. Remove your seafood, set it to the side, add some more butter, then add your veggies, onion, celery, carrots, and some garlic. Then season it with that King Creole no salt blend. Mix it all together, then let's make our roux. Add some flour a little bit at a time, and then add your seafood stock. Once it starts to thicken, add your heavy cream, and then a little bit more of that Delta dust. Simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes, then we're gonna add our seafood and some frozen peas, a little squeeze of lemon juice, mix that all together, then now let's start on these biscuits. Now you know we've all made those Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits at home. Don't act brand new and do not drop the bag in the bowl like I did. Go ahead and mix that on up with some water and some cheddar cheese. Drop a spoonful of that biscuit dough over your seafood filling. Leave some gaps in between. Bake at 375 for 25 minutes. Finish it with that garlic butter. Full recipes on my site.
That's good, shorty.